Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is 6th of September 2024 and we have non-farm employment change today. So this week I'm like 3 or 4 daily forecast videos of gold and euro US dollar I delivered, and till now so far the plans are working very nicely. So also thank you so much for your feedback that you are giving me on my WhatsApp number and in the comment section. So if I get such feedback, definitely I will continue uploading these daily forecasts for all of you, and I'm sure enough it will bring a very big and drastic positive change in your trading. So let's see today gold, and it's at the moment disconnecting, but anyways, so let's have a look at. So like on the gold US dollar, as you can see, is this whole plan uh, in front of you. I discussed it yesterday, and since the beginning of this week I'm discussing these plans. So you will remember that from right here near 2470 for the first time, I became bullish right here. In the weekly forecast videos you can get this plan and understand it for learning purposes. So we took buying from 2470, and then it came back right here again, and then it was also a very fantastic buying zone as per my strategy. So I entered long right here on gold, and that like some members are still holding the position. So this was the overall weekly plan that gave around 523 pips, because even if I see it is further going up and crashing to the top, or if it is dropping, either way I'm going to close this these trades today, right? Because this much of profit, I think that's more than enough. We will find another trade setup, right? Maybe who knows, we can find a sell, but last time I sold from here, so this time without a confirmation I might not be selling, because this is the first resistance you see, then the second touch, third, and the fourth, fifth, and this time it's most likely going to be the sixth. So there is still a potential market can break to the top side of the market, but I am leaving the positions, right? Why? I have specified that reason, and that is today's non-farm employment chain, and I just don't want to compromise on this 523 pips of profit. So this is also very nice for you as well. I have told you, so it can be a learning for you that how to minimize your greed, right? So yes, now as far as this trade is concerned, it is officially now over. Now I will be moving to the lower time frames, and this plan I discussed yesterday, breakout and a retest and then the continuation. So let me discuss this first. Yesterday what I said is there were unemployment claims as well, and obviously this channel, you see, each time the market go up there, this channel started to push the market back down. Similarly, this level as well push the market back down. This is day trading and intraday I'm discussing. This level I was expecting a double bottom. No doubt it created that double bottom, and it hit the lower channel of this, the lower band of this bearish channel, and after that the market continue bullish. So yesterday market was approximately right here when I was analyzing. I said that if it do this, this is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity. So those of you who took it, congratulations, in just one day from a day trade, 301 pips you have got from the market, right? Now, the thing is still there because yesterday I was explaining, like I was expecting this 25-30 level, and obviously today I will be discussing this 25-30 level as well. This plan, if you see, I further said yesterday that if it breaks to the top side of the market, it's going to retest this zone, and approximately market is most likely going to do this. And obviously if it break below, then it's going to do this. So it, for now it did not did that. So this is like trade with us for the future, right? If this time it didn't occur, the next time when it will be bouncing off from here, it can give us this particular trade setup. So since there is nothing more on this chart and this ABCD pattern I discussed, 2570, this decision is a total different type of trade. It will be a breakout, then it will be retesting 2530, and then it will be continuing back to 2570. That is a complete total different story. So let's first discuss this analysis right here on the H1. If you see this yesterday's intraday zone, so it did nothing very fancy. Yesterday it took a retest of this zone, right? It took a retest, or let me open a fresh chart and let me discuss it there, because I don't want to mess around with these other levels, plans, sorry. Try to watch the video completely and don't skip. So on the H1, this was a clear, like, let me show you again a little bit. This was the yesterday's situation, right? This whole is now our intraday plan right here, and this is followed by this support as well. See, breakout, retest, and continuation to the top, then a breakout, retest, and continuation to the top. This continuation didn't completed right here, so the market is still on this bullish wave. Towards what price point? Towards 2570. And as far as market is trading above 2470, we can say it is going towards 2570. So $100 of move it can be. This is the H4. Now the H1, let's have a look at it. And yesterday that breakout occurred from the channel, you can see, and market took a retest of it. So when it was taking a retest of it, this was a good buying zone. Now what's next? Today the market did this thing. It plotted from right here, it plotted another 618, another Fibonacci zone it was. Okay, this one. Barely the market touched 618 and continue bullish. This is the day trading opportunity, and it did this, right? And exactly from 618 it took a bounce, and the bounce is suggesting towards which zone? It is pointing towards 2536.76 today. So first the market will be doing this, and then it will be dropping towards 2470 once again. So then it depends on the market, my friends. If like market, we get a confirmation right here near 2536.40, some spikes to 2550 as well, then this will be the situation, right? Let me delete this Fibonacci. Just have a look at it. then it will be doing this thing. Let me change the color of this line as well. So this will be then a complete new plan for us, maybe for the next week. So that's my little son laughing in the background. Maybe he's watching some. Anyways, so if I get a confirmation near 25, 36, 25, 40, it can again be a very fantastic selling zone towards 2497.73. And yes, that way it will be a complete bullish wave. But first, I will try to gain some profit right here. Totally 400 pips worth of move it can be, right? Totally. But yes, then that depends on these other time frames as well, the lower ones. Uh, there is a double top created on the M15, and that suggests that the market should now drop towards this zone of 2496 again today on the news. And the setup may look something like this, with this as a double top, confirmed one, this one. So there are still traders holding sell positions of profit around 200 pips with a stop loss of around 90 100 pips on the M15. Right here, I would like to stick with this H4, and I just want to see this area, that if this market is going to break 2530 today, it is then approaching 2570. And obviously if it break below this 2506, yes, this one other level I want to discuss. If today it breaks this 2506 level to the bottom side, this one 2506, then it will be coming back down to 2470 and maybe below that. So try to trade very carefully, right? And as far as the ABCD study is concerned, this is the plan. And in the next video, I will continue from right here. Good wishes and good luck for your good trading decisions. Now move on to the euro dollar. Similarly, as I bought on gold, I first sell from right here along with my members, then I close the position and I became a bull, and a bull towards 1.11324. So yesterday right here I gave a call to close this buy position with 73 pips day trade opportunity, and the overall long term says that it can approach 1.12695. So let me complete this zone, right? So yesterday on the news, what it did is it also was has established this yesterday when I was explaining it. So this channel was broken to the top side, it was retested, and it continued to the top side of the market. My original level was the 618, right? So there is like a bit of difference of around 10 pips. The market if went up there, it would have uh, confirmed our sell trade from there as well, because right here if we see now, this euro dollar is again just like on the gold. It is also on a bullish wave of creating a new high, not all time high but a high. So let's see, there is also this trend line holding this market at the moment. So yes, right here if we see, today market can jump back down, create a double bottom, and it can rally to the top, or it can just break below, right? If I go to the H1, things will go a little bit technical, and that is there was this Fibonacci number which is not respected. Let me show you. this. And this was the yesterday area where we left the market. Here. Here I left this bullish market. Now what's next? Obviously there was a very tiny intraday ABCD pattern as well. That got completed as well. Not exactly, but 1.11300 it's pointing towards. So yes, on the intraday level, if you want to trade uh, this trend line, if you see, you can try a quick buying like 10, 15, 20 pips. Buying zone this 1.10 can be. Rest the long term, if I show you, I think it is creating a double top up there, maybe, right? And if it drops from right here, it will be dropping towards this zone. So there is also a great potential that I can also get my target near 1.09534. So this tiny, you see, this will be a confirmation if market breaks below, retests down, right? And this is how this whole market works. So let's see what we get. I'm out of all of the trades because I just don't want to give the profits back to the market. So this on the euro dollar, this M15, if you see, I think this is good as well. And if you want to trade, you try first on the demo account, and once you do that, you can then go for the long term. Now right here, if I show you the M15 specifically on another chart, keeping apart all of the learnings we have, I just want to show you something on the M15. On M15, just have a look at it. What is it's doing? It is trending up like this. This time it took a touch. This trend line is validated, but we haven't got a retest of it. So the retest can occur once again today near this price zone. 1.1091 and 1.1085, somewhere closer to this. So till here it will be dropping for around 20 pips, a good zone. But we also cannot ignore this trend, this one as well. We cannot ignore side by side, both of the trends are moving to the top. See, right here. So yes, on the 5 minute if we see, but I just don't want to go this much lower time frame. See, the volume has disappeared because everyone is afraid of the news. So let's see, let's wait for a correction. This is a very 45 degrees angle. Price standing at a sell point, but needs a proper confirmation. So obviously from here till here it will not be able to tradable, so it can become a buying zone for some quick profits. And rest, there is one master trend we have, right? And that's pointing towards approximately this 1.11450 level. So that can happen only if the market do this and this. But if the news is so strong, I think it may not be following this 15-minute plan, but it can be one trade opportunity and a completion and a very strong sell from there, right? So this is then going to be a zone of around this much. So 1.11300, I'm already waiting for a sell, right, my friends? So let's see what it gives us. Do give me your feedback, and I'm sure enough I will bring such episodes for all of you. Like, share, subscriber, and click on the bell icon. See you tomorrow in the weekly forex forecast video, and goodbye.